Hey friends, I just wanted to give you a quick update about what I've been doing on the farm. So number one, I bought a freaking chainsaw and I took it out of the box and I just started using it, and then I was cutting stuff. All that brush over there, I cut and hauled all of that by myself with no instruction whatsoever. Why did I do that? I did that because I am building a fence to keep groundhogs out. One of the things that you need to do is dig a trench and have the fence go a foot deep to keep the groundhogs out, because they will burrow under fences from what I've learned. And so we thought, okay, let's rent a trencher. They're $200. Totally not doing that. So I decided to rent a tiller, and we don't own a tiller on our farm because we do Korean natural farming, no-till farming, and tillers are not my jam. So we rented a tiller, and let me show you, we're tilling up the earth like this, and then I am shoveling this trench all the way around, and it's going to end up being about 500 feet around the whole perimeter, and I'm super excited, and I can't wait to give you updates on how awesome this fence is gonna look.